Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sriparna and today I'm going to say how to use the Google Meet. So last video I have said that I'm going to say about this. So come we will start. So first you need to open your Gmail. Already my Gmail is open. So from there you need to join, you need to join the meeting. So you need to give a code. I'm having a code and codes will be of different types. They will not be the same type. Then you need to join. I'm going to press enter. Then this depends upon your internet. It can take time also. So then if you ask to join, then the request will go to the admin. So they can deny your entry, means they will not let you to join, or they will let you to join. I'm just going to admit. Here in this, I'm using two devices. One is phone and one is the laptop, which I'm showing. So this is the thing. This is one way to join. So here only I'm going to show. This is your meeting details. Joining info, you can copy. There are Google Calendar. From Google Calendar, attachment will be attached. So I don't know that much about Google Calendar, so I'm not showing. So you can copy. I'm not copying. So then this is microphone. Turn on your microphone. Leaving call and turn on the camera. So microphone I'm not turning on because here echo will happen. So then this is turn on captions. Turn on caption means whatever others tell or you tell anything, the word, the sentences, whatever it will show here. So I am turning off. So then present now. You can present your screen like this, your entire screen. Then you can select this and just share. And this is the thing. And you can just go here and there wherever you want to present, like this. Like this. Then I'm going to stop presenting. Whatever you present there, the admin also everyone can see. So then next is settings, more options, and then change layout means here, like if many people were there in this Google Meet, then only it would happen. So you can just make it more. In phone, this option will be not there. Means if you make it 49 or 50, whatever, if you estimate you will get it. That much members will be there. Title auto means like this only. Title also the same thing. Spotlight means who is talking, they will show in the front like this. Then one more option was that is sidebar. Sidebar means whoever is talking will be in the front and others will be in the side. This is sidebar. Then whiteboard opening gem. This is not necessary for this Google Meet, or else something will happen that I don't know. And then full screen. Full screen means you can just make no tabs. Anything will not be shown here. Then for exit, you can press exit. Then turn on our caption, the same thing. Then that's it. Okay. You can, this is the people list, meeting details, people list. Then this chat box. If you send message, the message will go there. I'm just sending a sample to you. So this is the thing. The message will go to everyone. You cannot delete from here any message. So then that's it about Google Meet. And one more thing. The admin, like they can remove you from the meeting also. You can pin anyone. Pinning means you can see anyone by pinning. You can see yourself also. From here also you can pin. And then removing a tile means if you remove this, you can't see yourself in the screen. If you press this, then you can see. So I'm going to leave this call. So then next second way I'm going to show how to join. Second way is to type like go to your Google Meet. I'll just show. Sorry, I just wrote wrong. Meet. So then the Google screen will come like this, and then Meet Google. You have to press in this side. Then you have the same thing, whatever I said, that enter a code, only the code or link, not https.com, google.com. It's not like that. Then you can start a new meeting from here. Means from here you can like you can make your own code. That is the thing. You can click on two things here. No need to click. It's not necessary here to click. Then you can click from these two things. Get a meeting link to share. Start an instant meeting. I'm just clicking on this. You can click the first one also. Then a meeting link will come when you go to that thing. Go to the meeting room. Then you can join. You can join automatically because like you are the admin of here. Then you can add others or you can add people by mailing them also, not adding. Then this is the thing. So like this, the same thing here also. If you add other people also, then you can remove them or pin them. This is the thing. This is the Google Meet, about Google Meet. So till then, that's it. Till then, bye bye. Hello friends. Did you like my video now? So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share to friends and families. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe it. Thank you.